It's a culmination of many lives, 7 lives of action. And that is the culmination of that. So drug addicts, whatever you want to call them, eating disorders, nervousness, anxiety, depression, this all derives from previous actions. And is also, you inherit that from your feelings that you pick up from day one of birth. Some children, they're traumatized in birth and they carry that throughout their life. So, and that's coupled with what's gone on in the last 7 lives. So very important to find yourself a guru and break that cycle. Otherwise it just continues. And it's in your DNA. So the only person that can change that DNA, as I keep saying, is Guruji. It's the answer to everything, basically. But you, as a person, cannot do it. It's too overwhelming, it's too strong for you. Don't matter how strong your mind is. But the only person that can do that, or the only power and energy that can do that, is Guruji. End of story. Full stop.